To reconcile Paidcraft in accounting software. The process involves several steps. First, set up a Paidcraft account by navigating to the accounting menu and selecting Bank Account. From there, click on Add Bank Account and search for Paidcraft. Select Add Without Bank Feed and continue. Then enter Paidcraft as the bank name and choose Other as the account type. Enter any account number of your choice, as it does not matter, and click Add Account. The next step is to record Paidcraft withdrawals. To do this, click on the accounting menu. Select Bank Account and choose the Paidcraft account. Click on the Manager Account button. Then select Spend Money and enter the date, reference number, and the person or entity the money is being spent on. You can also add items to this section if needed, and then click Save. Recording Paidcraft expenses involves similar steps. For each purchase made using Paidcraft, navigate to the account, select the Paidcraft account, and follow the same steps as before to record the expense. The final step is to reconcile Paidcraft transactions. Open the Paidcraft account. Click on Manager Account and select Reconcile Account. On this screen, you will see all your transactions, and you need to match them with your recorded expenses. If necessary, you can manually add a missing transaction by clicking on Add or Import a bank statement. Once everything is matched, click OK to complete the reconciliation.